Good afternoon. This is Dr. Gary, and I hope you are having a wonderful day. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Faith in Existence, and faith stands for families are important transformational habitations. Whether you are single or coupled up, you are important, you are relevant, and you have the power to lead not only yourself, but your partner and children to greater heights. Today, I will talk briefly on the topic unity with purpose, unity and purpose in the marital relationship. It is important to understand the roles within the marriage. Men are called to do four things. Four things men, spouses, are called to do, husbands are called to do. They are the provider, sustainer, maintainer, and protector. Provider, sustainer, maintainer, protector. These are his primary roles to maintain cohesiveness within the family. The man's job primarily is to provide for the family, provide nurturance, provide biblical insight, let the family know his legacy and the platform he is developing for the family to make an impact in society. There is nothing more prominent to see a husband and wife work together through the storms of life, building each other up, visualizing even challenging circumstances as object lessons of growth and expansion. Sustainer, to be able to sustain the platform no matter what, to have a solid foundation based on the rock, which is sweet Jesus, for those who are spiritual. And if you're not spiritual, the solid rock is a common platform, a common theme that both parties can agree upon that gives strength and resiliency to overcome the trials of the life. Husbands are also called to be the maintainer. And you maintain consistency within the relationship. And I like to use the 5 C's to help explain the maintainer. Healthy communication, healthy compassion, healthy commitment, healthy compromise, and healthy conversion. It is the husband's role to deepen the holistic livelihood of each and every person in the home. The atmosphere in the home should be so uplifting. When anyone comes in the home, they feel at ease, they feel strengthened, they feel powerful by the atmosphere you have inside the home. And lastly, the protector. Is the husband's job to protect the family, protect the wife, and protect the children. The wife's job is buying into the program your husband is leading the family in. Wives are called to be a helpmeet, helping the husband to provide, to sustain, to maintain, and protect the legacy that is for each and every member of the family, right? So important for husbands and wives to work together, to support each other, to show genuineness and respect. Respect your husbands, ladies, wives, and husbands, respect your wives. Biblically, husbands are called to love their wives as Jesus loves the church, and wives are to submit to your own husband. The biggest problem that is facing a lot of women today, especially the African American woman, is submitting to your husband, being complacent with the program he is presenting for the family. So important. There is a theologian who stated that the enemy's greatest soldier is the African American woman. Biblically, If you take the strong man out of the home, it's so easy for the enemy to infiltrate the woman and destroy that family legacy, right? So it's important for couples to work together for a common cause, to have stability, have a strong foundation, to work together to maintain consistency and complacency in the home. Now, buying into the husband's program, the wives are to demonstrate three types of love. The first love is informative love, teaching the children about godly living and supporting the husband's platform. Secondly, unconditional love, unselfish love without limits. It's important for wives to be emotionally intellect, right? Have high levels of differentiation so your emotions does not override your thoughts. And lastly, tough love, showing accountability for your actions, right? It's important for both husbands and wives to show accountability for your actions, to model corrective behaviors, not only for yourselves, but for the children. Our homes is called to be a small piece of heaven. Every time we enter our homes, our heart is uplifting, our brain is empowered, we feel invigorated, and we take this energy outside our homes to uplift everyone who we come in contact with. I hope this message is invigorating for your soul. Once again, this is Dr. Gary, and I trust you will have a marvelous day. Stay tuned for my next message. Subscribe to my channel and share this message with someone. Have a great day.